Hey everyone, Christina here, Combat Off-Road. I have an updated video for you guys here of the Tail Gunner taillights. So these are the original and still only armored taillight on the market. So you can see here, these are a true plug and play, no body modifications needed. So it comes with your wiring harness all done. So all you have to do is just plug that in to your OEM wiring harness after you remove your OEM tail light. These here are a one-piece stamped 5052 aluminum. No other company does that. So again, these are gonna be your true armored tail light. After we put on that high-load UV powder coat, it looks perfect and just like this. That gorgeous chamfered edge here gives it such a seamless look on your Jeep. So this one here is for your Jeep Gladiator. They are also available for your Jeep JK and your Jeep JL. These are DOT compliant and covered under the combat warranty. If you have any questions on these, feel free to leave it below.